we're just snowmobiling in Crown Point, and this guy was right in the middle of the trail, and he wouldn't move. So I came to check out what was going on. And when you look at his face, he was full of porcupine quills. So don't mind my comments, because I just learned that porcupines have quills, not quilts. And I was treating as a bald eagle, but it's some sort of, I don't know, some other bird of prey. I don't think it's a bald eagle. It could be a juvenile. I'm still not sure what it was, but we pulled it out and worked out great. Check it out.
Right in the face, look at that.
In the nose.
He must have attacked a porcupine.
Yeah, it's a porcupine. You seen them here, Ron? Or probably far away, right?
Let me try to take them quilts off. See if he might survive like that.
Look at that hole. What's that from? A chipmunk?
I don't know, man. Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't understand why he's not flying.
He's hurt. He's fevering right now. He's probably hurt. Porcupines are poisoning, like they have their quilts are nasty. He's gonna probably freak out.
Don't make no noise. Now he's freaking out. Hold on.
Okay, hold on.
Calm down, Leo. Should have let him relax first.
Woo, look at that.
Oh.
Whoa.
Wow.
A porcupine. He got a porcupine.
He ate him already, right? No.
Huh? Whoa, right on the nostril.
Wow, probably couldn't breathe.
Yeah.
So, check the wings too. That's the hard one right there.
Wow.
You got everything?
There's more. Oh, the other side there is some big ones.
Oh, yeah.
Calm down, buddy. Don't bite me. I took him off. You see that his tongue is sticking out?
Yeah.
There's one inside of his mouth.
Across? Yeah, but you taking them all completely, or they sticking stuck inside? Oh, he got one of them inside.
Yeah. Good job, buddy. Good job. Keep working that tongue. Hang on. Let me see.
You want a stick?
Wow, there's some right inside of his throat. Look at that.
Oh, fuck.
I gotta take that fucking thing out. He'll survive if I take it out.
That thing's so bad.
Come on, open that mouth. Open that mouth. Open up. Wow.
That was across?
There was across his throat.
Oh, now he can close the mouth.
Oh, there's more. Hang on. There's another one here. I'm gonna save you, buddy. Wow, look at that.
Wow.
Look, a lot of quilts. Oh, there is another one on the roof of the mouth here.
Oh, shit.
Calm down. I'm afraid that he's gonna claw me. He clawed me once. It's sharp. Calm down.
Put your hand on her foot.
You wanna hold his beak for me?
Huh?
Wow.
Wow.
Ooh, that's a lot.
There's more? In the bottom?
How deep it is.
For real? Deeper?
Huh?
You see anyone inside? Probably poke himself inside, right?
His tongue is spasming.
No, he got one right there.
Where?
A little one right there, underneath the tongue. There's a little one there. Yeah, right there.
Here?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. No, that doesn't look like one.
No. I'll get some water to the...
That's our baby bald eagle. He's doing much better. Look at that. That's half an hour ago. We rescued him. He has some of those porcupine quills on his claws too. I'm thinking about pulling him off, but I think those ones he can take care of himself with his beak. No kidding. He's much better. He walked. He's landing over there, nice and camouflage. Nobody's gonna see him on the trail. I think he's gonna make it. Good job, guy. And of course, in the end, I had to take some pics with this guy. Look at that. He was quite friendly, actually. You know, maybe he recognized that we helped him. I don't know, or maybe he was just lethargic. In the end, he stayed in the snow looking at us, and I picked him up. Took a few pictures. He was quite amazing. At once he had his wings like wide open, and then I put him on the side of the trail and let him go. On the way back, he was gone, baby. Flew away.